Good morning, students. Here now I complete this chapter 2, Michelangelo, and I'm giving the word meanings. So though you may not see here in first page clearly your word meaning, I hope you all may be having the book. And if you are not having, please see that you buy it. Now it is available. Okay, dear students, it is available in the shop. You can get it. And if you are not able to get it, please get it from your old friends, your um, seniors, those who were there in the school. Okay, now these are the word meanings here. Please see that you write from the book. Okay, though it may not be, you can zoom and you can zoom pensively commissioned little bit. You can see, if you are able to read, you read, otherwise just to do it from the book. Okay, after that these word meanings are clear, so you will be writing all these word meanings. Okay, write down in your notebook. Okay, please write down all these word meanings. Again, the word meanings are here. You can see some words I already had marked in your chapter. Okay, so from there also you can get this word, same words I have done. Okay, I want to see that you complete this word meaning in your notebook. Again, I'm reminding you have to do it, and please learn the word meaning, not only writing and keeping your notebook. You have to learn also. Now, for here, making connection, make quick answers. I have put this exercise, though you can see written here answer, but in spite of it, I have given you the answers here. Okay, so all this 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D E. Okay, all these 5 answers are here. Okay, quick answers. One. Okay, this you can complete in that. Okay, B is here, completion. C also is here, and then D and E is here. You can complete the work from here. This exercise, making connections, all completing the sentences. Okay, now here reference to context 2ABC. Now this answers also I uploaded here, this 2 times game. So you can write these answers. 2A, 2B is here. You can go through. Okay. Now 3. All 3 questions are here, 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay. Now third ABC here, 3 questions. Answers are also I have loaded in this. Third AB, it will be continued again. Third will complete here, B is till here, and C till here. Okay. Now fourth ABC. Okay. This is all completed here. Why I am giving all the answer keys also, because you will have to write down in your notebook this. Whatever the questions I am giving you now, please see that you complete this work on time. Okay, write down in your copy. Now this read, reflect and write questions are here. Till 9 questions your answers I have uploaded in this, and 10th one you will answer yourself. You can go through this read. The 10th one is, do you think Michelangelo was a genius? Use examples from the text support your answer. That you have to do yourself. Okay, your own. This 9 I am giving you the answers. Okay, 5 5 is here. 6 6 answer is here till here. Okay, 7th is here. It has to be continued till here. Okay, 7th is till here. Then 8th answer you have 8th. Okay, till here. Then 9th also you have here. 9th answer is here. Okay, So dear students, here I complete your question answers. In next video, I will be giving you the index question answers. So see that you do that work also. Okay. So whatever question answers in text question are completing the sentences and read, reflect and reference content, please write down in your notebook. Okay, dear students. I hope you might have understood already. So you will do all this work in your notebook. So here in next video, I will give you the in-text question answers so that you can complete the whole chapter on time. So wish you all the best, dear students, and write down all these answers I uploaded in this video. The questions are also here and the answers are also here. The 10th question you have to do yourself. Did you get it? 10th question, this 10th one, you have to do it yourself. This is your own. Okay. So don't get it be copied with your old copies of your friends and all. I don't want that. So dear students, all the best, do well.